In this video, we'll learn the English words that can save us in our new jobs. If you've just Worker, excuse me, where is the mop? Manager, it's in the storage room, next to the vacuum cleaner. Worker, thank you, I need the bucket and detergent too. Manager, they are on the shelf. Be careful with the floor, it's slippery. Using protective equipment. Worker, the disinfectant smell is very strong. Coworker, you should wear a mask and gloves. Worker, good idea. Do we have safety goggles too? Coworker, yes, they are in the cabinet. Dialogue with a guest in hotel cleaning. Guest, excuse me, can you clean my room later? Cleaner, sure, what time is good for you? Guest, around 2 p.m., please. Cleaner, no problem, I'll come back then. Keep learning English every week with new videos that will make your work life easier. Remember, learning takes time, but you're getting better every day. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and stay updated with new lessons every week. You're not alone in this journey. Success is in your hands. Subscribe now and make your life easier.